Everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive daily wear collections only for you. Very beautiful one, pure handloom collection. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one, black base, bright black base, handloom soft silk material with beautiful stripes pattern pallu and full base part plain, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part is plain, very smart trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear. And this one pallu portions, beautiful one, highlighted golden zari fine stripes with highlighted gicha stripes pattern. Pallu soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, very trendy one, black base, full base part is plain, handloom soft silk material. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also ikat pattern, very trendy bright one, pure handloom cotton silk material, khadi cotton silk material, full base part is ikat pattern, very smart bright looks. Let me open. Full base part is ikat pattern, contrast border, soft comfortable, based for your office wear. This one full base part, this one is border portions, contrast color border, very soft comfortable smart looks, trendy one, feel like cotton. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and full base part is ikat. And this one pallu portions, beautiful one, highlighted contrast color, stripes pattern, pallu soft comfortable smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton silk material, weaving polka design, multicolor weaving polka design, contrast color border, highlighted border. This one full base part, very smart bright looks. This one is border portions, contrast color, yellow shaded border, highlighted golden zari lines, and full base part is multicolor weaving polka design, very bright beautiful elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, mustard yellow shaded highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu. And this one full base part, very smart bright looks, multicolor weaving polka design, very nice one. This one is full base part, handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this brocade work, red base, heavy soft silk, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also beautiful one, mustard yellow shade, black contrast ikat pattern, very trendy bright one. This one full base part, handloom cotton silk material, and full this one is border portions, contrast color ikat pattern border, and full base part is soft comfortable, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks and this one is pallu part, highlighted contrast black shaded ikat pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright beautiful one, contrast color ikat border, and this one is middle base part, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this soft silk heavy self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. This one is beautiful one. Very beautiful bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful stitching pattern weaving design buta, very smart bright looks, fresh magenta pink shade. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, stitching pattern weaving buta, very nice one, fresh magenta pink, contrast yellow border. And this one split section, very beautiful stitching stripes pattern pleats. This one is pleat section, very beautiful one, multi-color katha stitch pattern stitching stripes, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully katha stitch pattern stitching stripes with weaving buta design pallu, highlighted pallu, very smart, bright, elegant looks, and very soft, comfortable, also based for your office wear, daily wear, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And this one also very elegant one, pure white with weaving border design, silver zari with contrast black threaded heavy weaving border design, very nice one, stripes pattern, very smart looks, a khadi cotton base, pure white base, and this one border portions highlighted fine weaving design, contrast color threaded weaving design border, very elegant smart looks, fully hand weaving work border, and full base part is khadi cotton base, pure white base, very trendy, smart, bright looks, elegant obviously. And this one running blouse piece, plain body shaded with border running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. And this one also mirror work, artificial mirror work, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, applique stitching border. Let me open. Green shade, base is green shade, this one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, and handloom cotton silk material with mirror design, artificial mirror embroidery work. This one is mirror design, very nice one, soft, smart looks, bright one, bright green shade. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portions, contrast color maroon shaded with beautiful mirror embroidery design, pallu, artificial mirror design, very nice one, handloom cotton silk material, full base part is green, and pallu is contrast maroon shade with beautiful mirror design, artificial mirror. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton silk material, contrast border, and this one is very beautiful color combinations, wine brown shade, wine maroon shade with beautiful weaving border design, contrast color border with highlighted weaving design border portions, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, also handloom cotton silk material, full base part is weaving polka design, very nice one, smart look. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color with border design, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, mustard yellow with weaving polka design, pallu very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base color, very beautiful one, and full base part is weaving polka design, and border portions also fully hand weaving work, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. This one also very beautiful one, khadi cotton silk with printed one, mustard yellow base, very nice one, bright look, and fully printed one, very nice one, soft, smart looks, based for your office wear. This one full base part khadi cotton silk, and this one is border portions, beautiful temple pattern, fully printed one, full base part is printed one, bright beautiful looks, and this one full base part printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color, fully printed pallu, soft, comfortable, smart looks, handloom khadi cotton silk base, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material with self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, bright color, bright maroon shade, soft silk material. Handloom soft silk with beautiful stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern, full base part. This one, you know, full base, soft, comfortable, smart looks, pure handloom soft silk. And this one, you know, pallu portions, beautiful fine stripes pattern, pallu soft one, based for your office wear, daily wear, professional wear, very smart looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful fine stripes pattern, full base. This one is full base part, very smart trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart one. And I will suggest this soft silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright fresh looks. These are also, you know, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material, same material. Today I have draped different color only. And this one, you know, pink base, very beautiful one. And full base part is fine weaving design. This one is fully weaving border design, silver zari border with beautiful temple pattern weaving design, highlighted border. And middle portions also beautiful fine weaving design, and very soft, comfortable, smart looks, silk cotton material with fine weaving work, silver zari border, and fully hand weaving design, full base part, very elegant one, based for your office wear. This one is, you know, running blouse piece, same body shaded weaving work, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes pattern pallu end. Very beautiful smart look, same pattern, same material, different color. Today I have beautiful exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. You know, same pattern, same material, different color only, same material. Today I have very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, contrast color, dye, tie-dye base part, weaving work, silver zari border, handloom silk cotton material, and full base part is beautiful contrast color dye with beautiful fine weaving design, silver zari border, and fully fine temple pattern weaving design border. Middle portions also fine weaving design and contrast color dye base part, very elegant trendy look, smart also. And this one, you know, pallu and beautiful fine stripes pattern, pallu and soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, same material, same pattern. Today I have draped this one, only dye portions is different, very beautiful smart looks, trendy one, bright looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart, elegant, bright looks. These are also, you know, beautiful color combinations. Magenta pink shade, contrast border and full border portions, fine weaving design. This one is full base part, very smart one. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fine weaving design border, contrast color border with fine weaving work. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, very bright one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color green shaded pallu with beautiful weaving polka design, very smart, bright, fresh looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, soft silk material, heavy weaving work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one also, you know, bright navy blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton, contrast color border, and full base part is very beautiful weaving stitching pattern, weaving buta work. This one is beautiful weaving buta design. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully stitching stripes pattern, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu. And this one, you know, full base part. This one is stripes pattern, katha stitch pattern, stripes work, stripes design, pleat section. This one is multicolor strips, split section, stripes pattern. This one is upper base part, multicolor weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, contrast color border, very smart bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. In a very elegant color combinations, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material, contrast border, stitching, temple pattern, weaving design, temple pattern border design. This one full base part, white base, handloom, cotton silk material, and this one border portions, beautiful stitching, weaving, temple pattern design, stitching, weaving, very nice one, smart elegant looks, handloom, cotton silk material, soft, comfortable, highlighted contrast border with border portions, beautiful weaving pattern, temple pattern weaving design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stitching, highlighted stripes pattern with beautiful weaving buta design, stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, highlighted pallu, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Fresh one, fresh white base, yellow contrast looks, very exclusive one. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, very soft one, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric, khadi cotton, golden zari border, and full base part is multicolored weaving buta design, summer friendly obviously. This one is full base part, this one is golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful multicolored weaving buta design, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, pink base, very pink base. This one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color stripes with buta design pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And this one full base part, very beautiful one, very comfortable, lightweight, soft one, based for your office wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very comfortable one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, bright color combinations. This one is full base part. Let me open, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton with beautiful stripes pattern. This one border portions, contrast color border with fine weaving design, temple pattern weaving design border. And this one pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and middle portions is beautiful fine temple weaving design. And this one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is maroon shade, contrast border, weaving design, temple weaving, highlighted lines, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart trendy looks. So very beautiful one, pure malmal cotton with print one, bathni printed, sivori bathni printed, very smart elegant looks, pure handloom malmal cotton with print, sivori bathni, very soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks. This one full base part, very soft one, malmal cotton with bathni printed one with sivori bathni printed, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is best for your office wear, daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. This one full base sivori bathni printed one, very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, bathni sivori printed one, pure handloom malmal cotton, pink base with beautiful printed one, sivori bathni printed, very nice one, fully hand process. This one full base part, very soft one, malmal cotton with beautiful bathni printed, very smart, bright, elegant looks, based for your office wear, summer wear, very nice one. This one is full base part, fully beautiful printed one, and this one pallu portions, beautiful big badhni printed pallu, very elegant smart looks and soft also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful floral printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Also in a very beautiful one, same material, malmal cotton with batik printed one, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks and beautiful color combinations. Obviously pure handloom malmal cotton with batik print. Let me open, very nice one. This one full base part, very beautiful one, malmal cotton with batik printed one, soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully hand batik printed pallu, fully hand process batik printed one. And this one is base part, full base part, this one is full base, and this one is pallu portions, very nice one, smart, elegant, trendy look, soft, lightweight also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also same material, malmal cotton with batik printed one, and very beautiful color combinations, light green shade with beautiful printed one. This one full base part, very smart, elegant looks. This one is beautiful stripes pattern printed one, this portion is split section, beautiful batik printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base but fully hand process, hand batik print, malmal cotton, soft one. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful hand batik printed pallu, soft, lightweight, smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. This one also very beautiful, bright looks, bright green shade, very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful weaving work, very nice one. Full base part is buta work, and this one is border portions, fully weaving border, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving border design, fully hand weaving, very smart one. And full base part is buta design, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And this one running blouse piece, contrast color. And this one is pallu part, contrast color, maroon shade pallu with beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, bright look, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, bright one, khadi cotton silk material, checks pattern, a very nice one, trendy looks, orange shade. And bottom portions, border portions, beautiful checks design, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart looks, beautiful checks design, bottom part, border portions. And upper base part is jamdani buta multicolor, very nice one, soft looks, trendy one. And this one running blouse piece, beautiful color combinations. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving jamdani buta, it's very nice ones, best for your office wear, beautiful buta design, upper portion, very nice looks. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece for this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material, mirror design, mirror embroidery, applique border. And this one full base part, bright orange shade with mirror design, artificial mirror. And this one is full base, very beautiful, bright looks. And border portions, applique border with beautiful mirror embroidery design, fully hand work, very nice one, smart looks, bright one, mirror embroidery design. This one is applique border, and this one is bright orange shade, handloom cotton silk material, and full border portions, beautiful mirror design. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with beautiful mirror embroidery design, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, mirror work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, magenta color, contrast piping and very bright color combination. This one full base part, and this one is stripes pattern, split section, handloom cotton silk material. This one is split sections, very beautiful smart looks. This one is split section, this one is base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu, and beautiful one gicha stripes pattern, contrast color pallu. This one is pallu, gicha stripes, green shade, base. This one is base part, magenta pink shade, and this one split section, patli pallu pattern, very beautiful bright looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, trendy daily looks. Very beautiful one. Very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton silk material and very bright color combinations. Base part is white, contrast piping, red piping, and full base part is beautiful katha stitch pattern, stripes design, fully stitching stripes, handloom cotton silk material, contrast red piping, and full base part is katha stitch pattern, stitching stripes design. Very beautiful one. This one bright looks, contrast color, stitching stripes pattern, highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, bright green with beautiful stitching stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, same katha stitch stripes design. Very elegant one, smart bright looks. Full base part is beautiful katha stitch stripes, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant exclusive daily looks. This one also handloom cotton silk material, beautiful color combinations, pink shade, contrast ikat border. This one full base part, this one is full base part, contrast color ikat border, highlighted golden zari lines, and full base part is border portions is ikat pattern, and full base part beautiful multicolor weaving design, full base part weaving buta design, very smart elegant bright looks. This one is full base, soft comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part weaving buta design. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color stripes pattern with weaving buta design, highlighted pallu, soft smart bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Very beautiful one, ikat border with beautiful contrast pallu. Very beautiful color combination, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful weaving buta design, contrast color temple pattern border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Very smart looks. This one is border portions, contrast color temple weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, light orange shade, soft comfortable one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk base. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful contrast color pallu with buta design, soft lightweight smart bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding trendy daily looks. This one also very beautiful one, black base khadi cotton silk material, checks pattern, very trendy one. Checks always trendy, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful checks pattern, very nice one, smart elegant bright looks, black base with contrast maroon with yellow checks, very elegant smart bright trendy look, soft comfortable trendy one. And this one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and contrast color highlighted stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, soft comfortable smart bright looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, blue base contrast border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight. This one, border portions contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful multicolor weaving butta design. And this one, pallu portions contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving butta design pallu. And this one, full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy looks, best for your office wear, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also, soft silk material, beautiful one, highlighted one, bright color, have sign, golden zari border, very smart, trendy looks. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, bright color, golden zari border, and this one is border portions, beautiful golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base. Have sign also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part. Very smart, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks, bright also. Also in a very beautiful one, cotton silk material with beautiful printed one, black base, very nice one, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed. This one is full base, soft one, smart looks, bright one, handloom cotton silk material with beautiful printed one, foil print, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece printed, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful contrast color printed pallu, foil print fully, very nice one, smart, bright looks, best for your daily wear, office wear. Very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, soft cotton silk material, heavy weaving work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright looks. This one also in a beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab material with beautiful hand batik print, very nice one, silver zari border, contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik printed border portions, and full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. Full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one, very trendy one, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one, pallu in beautiful one, highlighted contrast color dye pallu, silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu, very nice one, smart, trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive outstanding looks. It's a very beautiful one, soft silk, pure handloom soft silk with beautiful stripes pattern, very smart, elegant, bright, fresh looks, fresh, bright yellow shade, contrast color, fine stripes, full base part, best for your office wear, very smart, trendy looks. This one, full base part, very trendy one, soft silk, pure handloom, and this one, pallu pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very beautiful, smart, bright looks, soft one, best for your office wear, daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy one, bright, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. Very nice one, soft one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful weaving work. This one is silver black base, silver zari border, and full border portions, beautiful weaving design, dobby pattern weaving design, temple work, and middle portions also same weaving design, very bright, beautiful looks. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted weaving stripes design pallu with beautiful pom-pom work, very nice one, pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful weaving design, black base, bright one, soft, lightweight, obviously best for your daily wear, office wear, with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.